From February 2011, all new type-approved passenger vehicles will be fitted with daytime running lamps. This safety feature has been proven to help improve vehicle visibility and reduce accidents in daylight hours. Ring Automotive introduces the Aurora LED daytime running lamps. Each lamp is fitted with 5 1.5 watt LEDs, which produce a bright white beam pattern. The unit is equipped with an automatic switching module, so lights illuminate when the engine is switched on, but will extinguish when the vehicle side lights are turned on, as required by legislation. Using daytime running lamps instead of the vehicle's existing lighting can help save money on fuel and reduce CO2 emissions, as LEDs draw less power than a standard bulb. The lamps are road legal and can generally be fitted in under an hour. Ring Automotive Aurora LED daytime running lamps, to help you stand out in a crowd.